Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this video, one of my class 10th student is explaining about maths chapter coordinate geometry.
Myself Tasmi Anas from 10th standard, student of Apex Tuition. Now I am going to start the chapter coordinate geometry. The vertical line called y-axis, also called ordinate. Horizontal line called x-axis, also called abscissa. The combination of coordinate and abscissa called coordinate. In this chapter we are going to learn three formulas. They are distance formula, midpoint formula, section formula. Distance formula is equals to root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Section formula m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1 plus m1 y2 plus m2 into y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Let's come to exercise 1. In this exercise, we have to find the distance between the following pairs of points. First, we write distance formula. Distance formula is equals to root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Then we will write given and x1 y1 x2 y2 given is equals to x1 y1 is equals to 2 3 x2 is equals to 4 x y2 is equals to 1. For we will put these values in the formula. 4 minus 2 whole square plus 1 minus 3 whole square root of 4 minus 2 is 2 whole square plus 3 minus 1 2 big greater sign minus 2 whole square is equals to root 2 into 2 4 plus 2 into 2 4 minus 2 into 2 2s are 4 minus into minus plus 4 or root 8. Root 8 can be written as 2 root 2. Let's start the next question of first exercise. Find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from 2 comma minus 5 minus 2 comma 9. It means we have to find a point on x-axis which is equidistant of point A and B. The value of A is 2 comma minus 5 and B is minus 2 comma 9. We can consider it as P. The value of P let be x comma 0. In this question they have said equidistance of A and B means AP is equals to BP. The distance of AP is equals to root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Right, given x1 y1 x2 y2 given is equals to x1 y1 is equals to x2 y2. The x1 is 2, y1 is minus 5, x2 is x, y2 is 0. Now we will put these values in the formula. Root x2 is x minus 2 whole square plus y2 is 0 minus of minus 5 whole square root x minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus into minus plus 5 whole square root x minus 2 whole square plus 0 plus 5 whole square root x minus 2 whole square plus 5 5s are 25. This is in the form of a minus b whole square. We will write the formula. A square minus 2ab plus b square Now root this is the a and this is b. X square minus 2 into x into 2 plus 2 square plus 25 root x square minus 2 into 2 4x plus 2 into 2 4 plus 25. Let's we will write this there, we will become easy to solve. AP is equals to root x square minus 4x plus 4 plus 25 is equals to AP is equals to root x square minus 4x plus 25 plus 4 plus 29. Let me draw that figure once again. A B x comma 0 minus 2 comma 9 2 comma minus 5. We can't solve for this AP either, or we will solve BP. BP is equals to root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We will write given is equals to x1 y1 x2 y2. x1 is equals to x comma 0, x2 is equals to y2 minus 2 comma 9. Let me rub this. We will put this in this formula. Root minus 2 minus x whole square plus 9 minus 0 whole square. BP is equals to root minus 2 minus x whole square plus s 9 minus 0 9 whole square. BP is equals to root minus 2 minus x whole square plus 9 into 9 81. This is in the form of a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square, or BP is equals to root, this is a and this is b, minus 2 whole square minus 2 whole square minus 2 into minus 2 into x plus x square plus 81. BP is equals to root 4 plus 2 into 2 4 minus into minus plus 2 into 2 4x plus x square plus 81, and BP is equals to root 4x plus x square 81 plus 4 plus 85. Let me write there. AP is equals to BP root x square minus 4x plus 29 is equals to root 4x plus x square plus 85. Squaring both sides. Root x square minus 4x plus 29 whole square is equals to root 4x plus x square plus 85 whole square. Square root cancel, square root cancel. X square minus 4x plus 29 is equals to 4x minus 4x is equals to plus 85 minus 29. Minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus 8x. Symbol is common, minus means we will also write minus, is equals to 85 minus plus into minus minus 85 minus 29 is 56. Greater number sign plus, x is equals to 56 divided by 8, 8 1 minus 8, 8 ones are 8, 8 sevens are 56, x is equals to minus 7. Let's start the exercise 2. Question number 1. Find the coordinate of the point which divides the join of x minus 1 comma 7 and 4 comma minus 3 in the ratio 2:3. Let the coordinate be x comma y. From the question we know that they have given x1 y1, x2 y2. So x1 is minus 7 minus 1 and y1 is 7 and x2 is 4 and y2 is minus 3. 2:3 is in the form of m1 is to m2. In the question only they have given, so we will write here m1 is equals to 2, m2 is equals to 3. There is a formula for this to solve. Section formula, x comma y is equals to m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1 divided by m1 plus m2 comma m1 into y2 plus m2 into y1 divided by m1 plus m2. We will put these values in this formula. M1 is 2 into x2 is 4 plus m2 is 3 and x1 is minus 1. X comma 2 divided by 2 plus 3 comma m1 is 2, y2 is minus 3 plus m2 is 3 x1 y1 is 7 divided by 2 plus 3 2 4s are 8 plus minus 3 plus into minus minus 3 divided by 2 plus 3 5 comma 2 3s are 6 minus 6 x 3 7s are plus 3 7s are 21 divided by 5. 8 minus 3 is 5 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5 comma plus into minus minus 21 minus 6 is 15 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15 and x comma y is equals to 1 comma 3. The value of x is 1, the value of y is 3. Now let's move to next question, exercise 2. Find the coordinate of a point A, where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is 2 comma minus 3 if 1 comma 4. Or there is a circle whose diameter is A and B. In the where AB is the diameter whose center is 2 comma minus 3 and B is 1 comma 4. In this we have to find the coordinates of a point A. X comma y, we have to find x1 y1 and this is called origin. Center of a circle means origin O. Now we will write the formula x comma y is equals to x1 plus y, x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. I2. Then we will write given is equals to x1 y1 x2 y2. x1 y1 is equals to x2 y2 is equals to x1 is x y x2 1 4 and x is equals to 2y is equals to minus 3. Yeah. Next we will put this values in this formula. X is 2 comma minus 3 2 comma minus 3 is equals to x1 is x1 only x1 is x1 only y1 is y1 only x1 plus x2 is 1 divided by 2 comma y1 plus 4 divided by minus divided by 2. Let's continue here. X comma y, x will always multiply with x, y will always multiply. 2 is equals to x1 plus 1 divided by 2 and 3 is equals to minus 3 is equals to y1 plus 4 divided by 2. This will multiply with this will multiply with this. 2 into 2 is equals to x1 plus 1 minus 3 into 2 is equals to y1 plus 4. 2 into 2 4 is equals to x1 plus 1. 3 2s are 6 minus 6 is equals to y1 plus 4 or this plus 1 will go here means minus 1 and 4 minus 1 is equals to x1 is 3 is equals to x1 and this minus 4 will go here means plus 4 will go here means minus 4 minus 6 minus 4 is equals to y1 1 minus into minus plus 10 the symbols are same means we will also write minus only is equals to y1 and x1 is 3 and y1 is minus 10. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you understood this concept. Thank you.